folks, Cody here, back with another beginner-friendly bluegrass guitar lesson. I went to school for bluegrass music at East Tennessee State University's Bluegrass and Old Time Country Music program. Here on this channel, I'm breaking this down bit by bit for you so you're not overwhelmed, so you want to come back and keep learning. Trying to get more subscribers than Taylor Swift here, so help me out, share this video, spread bluegrass music out to a larger audience. Today we're in the key of D and we're working on the first bit of the melody of Angeline the Baker. This is a super common bluegrass tune that will pop up in bluegrass jams. You don't want to get caught not knowing it and become embarrassed like I did for so long. So here's how we're going to fix that. All right, go ahead and get out or start playing a D chord. Okay, now it's important in this style of music that we are letting our notes ring out to the best of our abilities. That's going to give us that nice full sound, which will eventually allow us to create these runs that sort of flow together, sound nice and full, okay? So I suggest coming at this by strumming a D chord, all right? If you have a metronome, put it on super slow. We're gonna be working out of this box so you can picture your home bases just like this. That means that your fingers are not gonna be moving from these frets. And for this exercise, we're mostly just working off our A string and our D string there, okay? So here is the melody, nice and slow. Okay, first things first, down up picking pattern, okay? Do not, or when you're watching this, watch my wrist, okay? If you're there at home and your elbow and your arm are like kind of moving around like that, you're doing it wrong. Find a nice comfortable spot just like you see here. And where you want to watch here is just my wrist motion right here. You have to train this muscle just like any other, you know, if you're learning a sport, if you're learning how to type, whatever it is, that's gonna throw a lot of folks up. Practice this, it will come with time. We're going open on our A string, okay? Second fret, open on our D string, okay? All right, then again, okay, open on our second fret. So we're doing that twice, but we have a bit different timing in there, okay? We're just using our pointer finger, second fret, and then the open A string and the D string. Okay? Remember, down up picking pattern. All right, next. All right, so again, we're adding a couple notes and we're just working off that second fret of the A string. That's the next part. So a lot of this is, a lot of bluegrass really just is playing open strings in different timing, all right? Okay, now there's a hammer on right there. That may or may not be difficult for some new players. I recommend playing without it, seeing how it sounds, and then focusing in on that when you feel comfortable, and you really are gonna have to dig into that note. It might not be the easiest to pull off. All right, that's with the hammer on. And if you want, just kind of play through it. All right, next, we're going the same thing, and then we're integrating the second fret on the D string. Fourth fret. Okay, that is the first part of the melody. But if you don't know how this is arranged, it might be a little confusing, so I'm going to flash up the arrangement. This is a classic fiddle tune arrangement. It follows there an A part and a B part, and each of those parts repeat one time. So then you're going to have a arrangement that often looks like this. People will call it an AABB arrangement, okay? And what we're learning here today is the first repetition of the A part. So you'd have 3 more to go after this when you're learning. But the beautiful thing here is that we can basically repeat this part twice for the A part, okay?